So one of the most popular affiliate program is the Amazon's affiliate program. So you can just Google this and then come to the first link where it says Amazon.com Associates Central. And this is basically the Amazon's affiliate program where you could recommend any product that's on the website. So this one is a really simple program to join and use and to be able to get the ball rolling for you. So to sign up, you just gotta come in here and click sign up. And here you would just enter your Amazon's email and password. If you have an existing Amazon like regular account, I recommend you to use that because then you could generate the affiliate links a lot easier. And I'll show you in a second. And if you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can just come down here and click on create your Amazon account and sign up all at the same time. And let's go through the sign up process quickly. So after you're signed in to your Amazon account, this is the screen that you'll see. So make sure that your name and address is correct and click on this and click next. And here's where you will enter a website. Now, if you don't have a website yet, I'll show you how to create one later in this tutorial. If you have one, you can enter it. It's always better if you have a website. It just makes it a lot easier to get approved. So for right now, I'll just enter my own website. And when you're done, click add and click next. And here you want to read this and select no. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? No. Click confirm. Here is where you will set your store ID. And here in this box, you can list out the content that you plan to create, whether it's a blog, content, or niche website search. Just select the ones that applies to you. As long as they're accurate, you're going to be fine. Type in the characters here and then just click finish. And after you click finish and then you're done, and then you should be able to start using your affiliate account. All right, so next I'll show you how to create your affiliate links of any product on Amazon. So once you log inside your Amazon account, you should be able to see this site strip on top of the page. And this is where you can create your affiliate links. So you can select any product. So for example, we'll select this one. Once you're on the product page, what you got to do is just come up here under get link. Just click on text and here we have your affiliate links. So you can copy and paste this to anywhere you want to promote it. And anytime when someone uses your link, come to this product page. And then if they end up purchasing, then you'll end up getting a commission for that sale. And in case you're wondering, this is the commission rate chart for Amazon for each category of the product that you're able to promote. So as you can see, the luxury beauty, the fixed commission rate is 5%. Most things are ranges between 1 to 5%, I would say. So it's not a crazy commission, but again, this allows you to promote any product that you see on Amazon. It's just a really easy program to get started with.